welcome back to my Lupus Diary. This is Disha. I hope you guys are doing great. Today's vlog is all about gastroparesis and nausea. Yes, nausea is something that every gastroparesis patient goes through, or even every celiac patient goes through. I think with lupus, initially also I faced nausea because of my immunosuppressants. So nausea is a very big part of a chronic illness patient's life, I suppose. And what can we do to deal with nausea, to control nausea, or to feel really better, even with that feeling nauseous all day long, or most of the time, most of the day. So, what can you do is what matters, and that is what we are discussing today. But before we start with today's vlog, if you still have not subscribed to my vlog, please do so right now, and also press the bell icon down there so that you're always notified with my new vlogs and my new shorts and everything that comes up on the channel. I also come up with new shorts every day or twice a week at least, giving tips for better management of autoimmune disorders. So you can always subscribe to my channel for that. Now, let's start with today's vlog. What is nausea? That feeling where you just want to throw up, or you are very uneasy and you are not able to manage yourself. That discomfort that you feel, and especially happens because of gastroparesis, because of the acid reflux. It also happens in cases where gastroparesis is just at the peak and you are not feeling well. So what can you do for it? You can just keep on working on what suits you, what works for you best. Now, here there are few things you can do to start with. First, uh, I started with having a slice of lemon always with me. So when I just got detected with celiac, I used to have a slice of lemon always with me to just leak on and just have some taste change up, and it actually helped me. So have you can have lollies which are sour lollies. They really work for me. So they might work for you as well. So try to have sour lollies. They will help you. Gummies are a good option as well. You can have gummies and they will help you ease out the nausea. You can always talk to your gastroenterologist and get anti-nausea, anti-vomiting pill prescribed for you, and that will actually ease your nausea as well. And it doesn't completely work, that is for sure. You have to do something for it. You can also grab a cup of hot coffee if that works for you, but if it doesn't, then you don't have to. Caffeine is something that has always worked for me, be it for stomach emptying, and when I have a good stomach emptying happening, my nausea is under control. So you can try that out too. You can have caffeine, you can have black coffees, that really works for me. That might work for you as well. Also, sorry, you can try this. You can have ginger tea. Ginger is a very good source ingredient when it comes to digestion, and having ginger tea is amazing. Just boil up 250 ml of water with 2 inch of ginger in it, and just boil it for 10 minutes, drain it, and drink it. An amazing way to curb your bloating, to help your with your nausea and anything warm. Skipping, keep sipping something or the other warm. It is always going to be good for you. You can have mint tea. Yes. So you same way like you did the ginger tea, you make the mint tea and the carom seed tea. Carom seed water I've always mentioned in my vlogs. So same way you take 2 tablespoons of carom seed, or you take 5 to 10 leaves of mint. Boil it in hot water, 300 ml to 2 ml water. Let it reduce to half and drain it and keep sipping on it warm all day long. That will help you with the nausea, the bloating, and it will always help you speeding up the stomach empty. It will also help celiac patients to deal with the uneasiness that is there because of the lining disruption in the intestine, which is also going to be helpful for you. Now, what else I have learned is that I try to keep my tummy half empty always. So, anyways, I don't tolerate much food, but whenever I eat, I have to make sure I keep myself half empty. That will help you ease the nausea. And if you have morning sickness, like every morning when you wake up and you have nausea, that time you just put a lolly or a candy in your mouth and just feel better. And once you are feeling much better, you can carry on with your day. Most important thing to remember, even with nausea or bloating, is that you have to be stress free at all given points of time, and you always have to make sure you are happy. There is no point in doing anything of everything I said if you are not going to be stress free, right? That is very important. One thing that can help you is the stress and is the nausea and help the bloating also is walking. Yes. So every time you eat, walk for 10 minutes, and then that will ease out things for you as well. So you can walk. You walk while you're talking on the phone. You can walk 10 minutes every few hours, or every hour set a timer and walk for 10 minutes. You don't need to walk for an hour or at a stretch. I know that's not possible for a chronic illness patient, but you can always walk for 10 minutes at a stretch. So try to do that every hour or 2 hours at least. That will help you guys also. And last but not the least, keep sipping on water. If nothing works for you, if you cannot eat anything, you can still have water. Obviously, limit your water intake. Do not end up with water retention. If you have kidney involvements, so you have to watch out that also. But these are few tips that I just wanted to share with you guys, and I hope it was a bit helpful to manage your nausea. With one or the other trick, at least you'll be able to manage your nausea and stop your vomiting as well. Take care. Have a nice week ahead. Stay blessed. Be happy. Keep smiling. And yes, you're a warrior. Keep fighting.